Alright, so today we're going to be going through how you can short Luna 2.0 on Bitget. Now this is something that a lot of people have asked me because I have been making a few videos recently where I've explained the volatility is very nice here. There is a lot of liquidity in this coin and I've been making profits going long and short, and of course you as a Luna Classic community may want to look into doing this. Now remember that leverage trading is only for experienced traders, but right now Bitget does have an option on their exchange for a demo trading account. So once you sign up, there is currently a deposit bonus for up to $4,400, which you guys can make the best of either way. And then once you're inside of your Bitget account, you can trade using your demo account. I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to do all of this when we jump into the video. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice because, hey, I'm not a financial advisor. And let's just jump onto the home page of Bitget here. So right now, on top of leverage trading, they also have 0 spot fees, which is awesome. So you can trade pretty much all of the biggest cryptos right here on Bitget with absolutely 0 fees. With that said, we can go up here to all of the different options they have. Of course, you can do earning, you can do copy trading. I've got a video on copy trading. You can see it right here. And the spot exchange, of course, with the 0 fees. But what we're talking about today is futures. So first of all, USDTM futures. This is futures that you trade with USDT. Your profits are paid in USDT. You also have it with USDC and CoinM futures. This will be profits paid in Bitcoin. Now, on top of that, we do have the demo accounts here, and you can start trading on your demo account right away once you have yourself an account. We can see here it's very simple and it's exactly the same setup as our real accounts. With that said, I'm going to jump over to my real account here, and we can see you have all of the different options that you might need up there. We can choose which coin pair we want to trade with. Of course, we want to have a look at Luna. This is Luna 2 USDT, and we can see that the price action has been exceptionally volatile recently. Right now we're on the 3-minute chart. You can get up the 5-minute chart, or you can go for whatever time frame you guys want by checking it out here. We can go by the hours here, up to 12 hours, and then also, of course, by the day by clicking here and then opening up the daily chart. Normally, when I'm trading with leverage, I'm doing more short-term, potentially scalp trading. So I'm looking at the shorter time frames, maybe 5 minutes, sometimes the 15-minute chart, but I rarely go down to as low as 1 minute. But right now we can see there is relatively flat price action. Now, please, of course, do remember that leverage trading is, again, only for experienced traders. So please do practice before putting any real money in. With that said, we can see here, down here on the right, all of our different options. So first of all, we got our leverage account here. We can choose the leverage. Now, I would never really trade up to as 25x leverage. Of course you can, but it comes with its risks. What this means is if you put in $1,000, you can get $25,000 worth of a trade. An easy way to understand this is with 100x leverage, if the price moves 1% up, you're going to make 100% back what you've put in. If it moves 1% down, you're going to lose 100% of what you've put in. So we're going to put this down to around 10x leverage here and press confirm. We also have the option here to use cross or isolated margin. This basically means that utilizes the full amount of funds in the available balance to avoid liquidations. Any realized profit or loss or other positions can aid in adding margin on a losing position. Now, when it comes to isolated, your liability is limited to the initial margin posted, meaning that the amount of money that you put into the trade is what you're going to lose. It's not going to come after your full account. So we can see here on the right, we can do limit trades, we can do market trades, which will basically execute directly where the market price is. Now, I normally avoid getting in and out of trades like this because it normally costs more money. So we do have that option. We can also enter a trailing stop, which means when you're in a position and the price is going up, your stop loss will actually come up with it. So let's say it's 10%, you can have this trailing stop at around 10%. So the second the price turns and starts to go downwards if you're in a long, or the opposite if you're in a short, but the second the price turns around, it's going to come back and that stop loss will stay at around that 10%. Now, heading back to this limit order, we can see here that the price right now is 2.8051. So we can click here and that will show us what the price is. Of course, it's changing super volatile like I showed you guys, but we can just put that as 2.8 here. And how much Luna do we want? We can choose by percentage of our actual portfolio. You can see I have $1,200 in my portfolio. Let's do 1% of that. And here you can see cost is 12 USDT. So that is 1% of my portfolio. We can move this line up and you can see as the cost goes up. So the cost might be $100. Now, if we want to go long, we expect the price to go up. We can press buy long. And if we want the price to go down, we can sell short. Now, an important thing to note, if you do want to protect your downside and you also want to automatically take profit, you can put in your take profit wherever you might like to take it up here. And you can also put in your stop loss wherever you think that you want to protect yourself. Now, trading like this is called risk management and something that I would suggest people try and do. Here we can see the price is moving again, very volatile. So I'm just going to click here and I'm going to open up a short position so you guys can see what happens. We'll move that down to 1% and I'm going to do sell short. We'll see these options here. We're doing 10x leverage. We're going to open at this price, and this is a limit price. So if the price continues to drop from where my limit order is, then I'll actually miss out on the order. But if the price rises, I'll definitely enter in it. So that's one of the risks here if you are trading on the short-term time frame. So I'm going to press confirm, and we're going to see what happens. So my order is now in the order book, and we can see here in open orders, it's here. So it's just been opened there. Here's my position. Right now we have a return on investment of a loss of around 1%. We have unrealized profit and loss, $0.1. And you can see pretty much everything you've done here. Now, depending on your trading style, you can get in and out. You can add to your positions. You can change your take profit there. You can also add yourself a stop loss. And again, you can add yourself a trailing stop limit there if you do want to. So this is what happens. And like I said, this is extremely volatile. So we can see right now, I am down 4% on that position. And this is why we would like to trade with good risk management. We never really know where this is going to go. Obviously, I did no technical analysis before this. I simply opened the trade to show you guys. Hopefully, we can see some profit here if we just wait a little bit of time. So that is how you open a short or a long position for Luna 2.0 on Bitget. Remember, this is only for experienced traders. So if you are new, make the best of that sign up bonus and then trade on the demo account until you get to a point where you feel comfortable making trades. Remember, it's very easy to lose your bag here, so you need to do as much research as possible before you get involved. So after we open that position, I left it open for a little bit of time and I did something I normally do here, which is I go in small at the very start, and then if the price goes the opposite way to what I want, I can actually dollar cost average into the position, and then I'm able to take some profits. So as we can see, I brought my cost basis up to 2.906, and now we are currently in around a 6% profit. So if I just change this to 8.9 here, and what we can do is we can press close using that. That order is successfully put in now, and if we do reach that, just a few little ticks down, we are going to get it, but maybe it won't get it. And this is one of the risks we have with leverage trading. And there we go. So the position is now closed. We can check the order history here, and we can see here realized profit of $3.2. Hopefully I did provide you with some value today. If I did, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, let me know down in the comment section if you guys want me to do tutorials on anything else, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.